Hello everyone. Today in this session we will see one of the real-time business requirement. So we received the some of the product from the supplier in our warehouse, and suppose this is our warehouse, okay, and this is the final storage type, okay. This is the AFS location, final storage type. This is the final storage type, and assume this is the pallet storage type. In this session, in the demo session today, we will see one of the real-time business requirement. Basically, how system works when we talk about the SAP S/4HANA EWM, or we call embedded EWM. Generally, when we create the inbound delivery, data travels through two business layers, or data travels through the two kind of business systems. First is the ERP layer, another one is the EWM layer. So in the ERP layer, what generally we do, we create the purchase order, or ERP layer, in the same layer we create the inbound delivery. Today our requirement is when we receive the goods from the vendor or supplier, the inbound delivery should be, because if I'm talking about inbound delivery, then it contains header. Header contains items. In this real-time business requirement, today I will explain you post-processing framework, requirement interfaces, BAdI, enhancement, improvements. The business requirement is very simple. Whenever we receive the product, our inbound delivery items should be blocked into the EWM layer. So behind we have the post-processing framework. See carefully. The first is inbound delivery should be blocked. Second thing, post-processing framework already configured in the system. And so when we have the inbound delivery plus post-processing framework, our requirement to block items of the inbound delivery. In that business situation, we need to implement the one BAdI. So the BAdI name is / supply chain warehouse management / EX_ post processing framework action. Whenever the post processing framework triggers inside the system, automatically system triggers this BAdI or interface behind the system. To block the items for the specific inbound delivery, we need to implement this BAdI. This BAdI contains multiple methods. One of the very important method where we write the business logic or coding is the method is the execute. This is the method which exists, interface method which exists inside this interface BAdI. So these kind of business requirement where we have inbound delivery, where we have post processing framework, and inside the delivery we want to block the items. Okay, so in that situation, this is the important BAdI which we implement. So whenever the delivery would be created, post processing framework would be triggered for the inbound delivery process. Automatically system will checks behind the code, and then items or the delivery would be blocked, and we may achieve this business requirement. Thank you very much, guys. So if you're looking for full end-to-end training, support, consultation, also follow my few of the books. This is one of the book which already I shown, but this is the one of the book in the supply chain management, extended warehouse management. We have the real-time implementation book. So thank you very much, guys. See you again.